This court found the contemner, an advocate, guilty of committing criminal contempt of court for having interfered with and obstructing the course of justice by trying, threaten, intermediate, and overbear the court by using insulting, disrespectful, and threatening language. Full stop. While awarding punishment, keeping in view the gravity of the conduct of the contemner, the court said. Full stop. The facts and circumstances of the present case justify our invoking the power under Article 129 read with Article 142 of the Constitution to award to the contemner a suspended sentence of imprisonment together with suspension of his practice as an advocate in the manner directed herein. Full stop. We accordingly sentence the contemner for his conviction for the offence of the criminal contempt as under. Full stop stanza. The contemner Vinay Chandra Mishra is hereby sentenced to undergo simple imprisonment for a period of 6 weeks. Full stop. However, in the circumstances of the case, the sentence will remain suspended for a period of 4 years and may be activated in case the contemner is convicted for any other offence of contempt of court within the said period, and within bracket B, the contemner shall stand suspended from practising as an advocate for a period of 3 years from today, with the consequence that all held by him in his capacity as an advocate shall stand vacated by him forthwith. Full stop stanza. Aggrieved by the direction that the contemner shall stand suspended from practising as an advocate for a period of 3 years issued by this court by invoking powers under Articles 129 and 142 of the Constitution, the Supreme Court Bar Association through its honorary secretary has filed this petition under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, seeking the following relief. Full stop. Issue and appropriate writ direction or declaration declaring that the disciplinary committees of the bar councils set up under the Advocates Act 1961 alone have exclusive jurisdiction to inquire into and suspend or debar an advocate from practising law for professional or other misconduct arising out of punishment imposed for contempt of court or otherwise, and further declare that the Supreme Court of India or any High Court in exercise of its inherent jurisdiction has no such original jurisdiction, power, or authority in that regard, notwithstanding the contrary view held by this honorable court in contempt petition criminal number 3 of 1994 dated 10/3/1995. Full stop. The question which arises is whether the Supreme Court of India can, while dealing with contempt proceedings, exercise power under Article 129